The Singofire 9-note handpan drum in D minor chord offers a warm, meditative scale that is very forgiving for beginners, yet expressive enough for experienced players. Its 22-inch diameter and carefully shaped steel shell produce a rich, balanced resonance with clear fundamentals and singing overtones across the full range. Each instrument is tuned by hand rather than pressed out by machine, which gives the notes a more organic blend and helps the drum stay in tune over time. The use of a thicker steel plate than many entry-level pans contributes to better durability, more stable tuning, and a slightly longer, more satisfying sustain. It comes as a complete kit with a padded carrying bag, a folding stand, mallets, and a cleaning cloth, so you can start playing and transporting it safely right away. Overall, this handpan feels like a thoughtfully built instrument from a specialist maker, suitable for sound healing, yoga sessions, busking, or simply relaxing at home.